Hello, so welcome to Glide by Prep Eve, and today we will be practicing the recognizing English words questions. Okay, we have already learned, we have already practiced that was provided in the actual Duolingo practice test, but you know that they are only providing you with 3 sets, right? What if you want to practice more? ਅਸੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ right? So we will be practicing one set of recognizing English words every day. We will be practicing one set of filling up the blanks every alternate day. Okay, so let us start that. I will be taking these sessions of yours very quick. We will be learning a lot of new words, that the ones that would be helpful to us when we will be taking the actual Duolingo test for ourselves. Okay, so let's begin with our session for today. Agenda is that we will be practicing the recognizing English words. Okay, all right. So now I will be displaying the set of question words, and after that there is a timer of 1 minute that we will be playing. Okay, and what you have to do is that you have to stick by that 1 minute timer with me live here, and you have to recognize the words. Okay, so what you can do is that you can keep a copy and pen in your hand, and what you can do is you can just create a grid. Okay, for example, there will be a total of 18 words and you have to tick mark them, right? But you cannot do that here on YouTube. So what you can do is a copy pen per 6 grids bana lo, create 6 grids and just keep ticking mark. All right, create 18 grids, I mean. All right, so now I will start this timer, and then you will have 1 minute to look at the questions and create your answer sheet. So the timer has been started. And we are done. So now let's look at. Okay, so the words that you see having a strike through, they are not correct words. Okay, so let us start looking at the words one by one. Penetrate. No, it is not the right word. There is nothing like penetrate. It is penetrate. When you put something inside something, okay, that is known as penetrate, not penetrate. Okay, Uber. Now you guys must be wondering that Uber is not an English word, sir. Uber तो ऐप है, मैं अपनी कैब बुक करता हूँ उससे. You are right. Uber is an English word as well. Uber means to be awesome, to be the best. Okay, try to frame the sentence correct. Okay, next is royal. Royal is absolutely, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ royal ਹੁੰਨੇ ਆ, right? Royal is correct. Funnel. There is no word like funnel. It is just a made up word. Nothing is being tested here. Ponzi. सुनया होना Ponzi scheme, right? हेरा फेरी तो सबने देखी हुई है ना, right? कि बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेना. So Ponzi is a correct word. Defeat. DEFEIT. Is that a word? Defeat. Defeat is a word, but the spellings here are wrong. Okay, the correct spellings are DEFEAT. So they will basically be testing 3 things. 1, your vocabulary. 2, your spellings, right? Can you identify the spellings right or wrong? And finally, 3rd, they are also trying to test the usage of those words. Okay, so finally, next word, support. Easy, right? Low hanging fruit. What is a low hanging fruit? Jada, any fruit that is, easy to grab. Easy question. Okay, arena. Right or wrong? Absolutely right. Okay, don't get confused with area. Area is different, arena is different. Arena is, for example, a stadium. You can also call that an arena. Okay, a closed place where something happens. Cautious. सर कॉशन तो सुना था, ये कॉशियस क्या होता है, राइट? कॉशियस होता है व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग प्रिकॉशंस, ओके, दैट वी शुड बी कॉशियस व्हेन द लॉकडाउन ओपन्स, that no matter lockdown is opening, but for now sit at home, study at home. It is very risky to be sitting with many other students. किसी एक को भी हुआ, we will be back to where we started, right? Subjugate. They are checking your vocabulary here now. What does subjugate means? Okay, subjugate होता है किसी और को अपने नीचे लगाना, किसी और को by force pulling them, pushing them down, pushing them below you. Okay, all right. इसी तरह एक और वर्ड होता है subordinate. Subordinate or subjugate, go to Google and find out the difference between subjugate and subordinate, okay, and find that and comment down in the comment box. I will personally comment review your answer. Very important to understand the difference between subjugate and subordinate. Okay, Kazar, no word like that. Okay, they are just trying to check that do you recognize a made up word or not. This is a made up word. Alright, so the next word is ROZTUR. ROZTUR. Roster. लग तो सुना, लग तो रहा है कि सुना हुआ है कहीं पे, राइट? The correct word is roster. Okay, roster is a plan, a list that which individual has what duty when. Okay, for example, doctors have a roster in the hospital that at this time Dr. Kumar will come, at this time Dr. Singh will come, at this time Dr. Kapoor will come. Okay, that's how the colleges, hospitals have a roster. Okay, hospitals. Life, easy, I'm not gonna explain. Vending. Vending होता है डिलीवर करना. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेंडिंग मशीन जो एयरपोर्ट्स पर लगी होती है ना, जिसके अंदर हम पैसे डालते हैं और कोल्ड ड्रिंक आ जाती है, उसे वेंडिंग मशीन कहते हैं. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज टीज्ड. जस्ट अ मेड अप वर्ड, nothing. The correct word is toast. There is nothing like teased. Okay, I was having tea when I was making this presentation. There was a toast in front of me, so I thought of making teased. Okay, that's it. Rampant, no word like that. Okay, there is no word like rampant. There is a word rampart, but you should go to Google and search for it. Why should I tell you everything? If I will tell you, you will forget it. Okay, pragmatic. Can I say that anything that can be programmed is pragmatic? No. The correct word is pragmatic. Okay, and what does pragmatic means? Pragmatic means to be practical. All right, to be real, to basically, think practically. Right now, why should you take Duolingo test? Because you can see that social distancing has to be maintained. You never know when IELTS will open. If IELTS opens late, by the time all the colleges will be full, then you won't get an offer letter for the year. Okay, so go and take the Duolingo test with confidence. And finally, swag. Swag sada desi, right? But do you think that swag is a real English word? Let me tell you something very funny. How we call swag, right? What we consider swag is not a real English word, but the real meaning of swag is a curtain or any piece of cloth that we can hang, right, in a curved fashion. Go to Google and search for swag. You will be shocked. You will be really surprised that okay, हम सारी उम्र अपने आप को एक curtain बोलते रहे. Right? Like when I say that okay, I have a swag, I have a curtain, वो तो सबके पास होता है. Right? So from today onwards you won't be using swag, I believe. So that is it. Before you leave, I want to tell you something, that as you know that you might have to take the IELTS academic later as well. From tomorrow we are starting up with a group coaching batch, a live online classes batch for the IELTS academic. You can check out our channel Preppy for some demo videos, and more than 36,000 students trust us with that. And these are the details of the academic batch. It costs only rupees 3,999, right? 4,000 rupees. And what we have planned is that the new batch that we are creating, it will only have 10 to 15 students in a meeting. Okay, so that means that the classes are held on a Zoom meeting. You will be able to interact with me, you will be able to interact with ma'am or any other trainer who will be taking the classes, all right, and it will include live classes, PDF study material, 1-to-1 2 classes, okay, 2 1-to-1 classes, in which one of them will have a speaking mock test and the other one will be a personal review of your writings, and finally unlimited answer writing and checking, because that is very important. Okay, so do enroll into the course. The link for the course is in the description. Okay, and once you enroll, give us a call, we will tell you the batch details. All right, thank you very much, guys. I hope that you guys have a good day. We will be posting a minimum of 2 to 3 videos every day from now, so that you guys are able to finish your course in time. Thank you very much. Great day. Cheers.